Good morning, animal lovers. Today, we have a sensitive topic that may not be for all viewers. We're going to talk about dog cysts. That's right, even your favorite canine has to deal with skin problems and blemishes from time to time. Let's discuss while you look at various dog cysts. And for reference, the clips in this video can be found in their entirety on cystbursting.com. I'll put a link below. It should be noted that removal of cysts should be performed by your vet, but the removal procedure is very similar to that in humans. However, dogs may be more susceptible to infection if they can't keep the wound clean. If the cyst is infected, the vet may choose to treat with an antibiotic, and they may drain the infection accordingly. Again, I'll include links in the description below. Please click like and subscribe for new videos all the time. Thanks for watching.
Hi you guys, my name is Gabby and I'm here to do my testimonial on Thynergy. Thynergy has given me way more energy than I had in recent months. It's helped me lose about 20 pounds and I'm really happy with my current body and thin form that I have. So please check the link below, recommends Thynergy, and I think it'll work for you.